Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today I am back with another autumn nail art. So I started this nail art, you guessed it, with a peel off base coat, and after that I applied 2 coats of this SE nail polish. I don't remember the name, so I will mention it in the description bar below. Then I applied this cuticle mask to prevent any mess, because there will be. After that I used this Born Pretty Store stamping plate, my trusty Starry Sky stamper, and these MDO stamping polishes. And for stamping I applied all these nail polishes randomly and then gently scraped it off, then pick it up and stamp it. After that I just removed the cuticle mask and then clean up. To finish this nail art I used this glisten and glow top coat. You can use a matte top coat, it's totally up to you. And that is the design. It was a quick tutorial and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, you guys can watch more here, or you can subscribe here if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.